Yes. When you are being expected.
Where the morning, Amak is there, Kuje is there, Buhari is there, and Abaj. Abaj is not here. Okay, sit down. Well, of States, the Executive Secretary, FCD, Commissioner of Police, and others, heads of security agencies that are here, area council chairman, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure this is just for the sake of the press before we're going to close the meeting. All of us are aware of the security situation in the Federal Capital Territory, particularly Buhari and some other areas that were witnessed security challenges. Yes, I'm aware that sometimes too the press overblow what is happening. But all of us are concerned as the Federal Capital Territory that houses virtually every Nigerian. We owe a duty to make sure that this place is safe. We'll do all we can, and we're sure Nigerians who reside here that there's no need for panic. We're taking every step to make sure that those challenges are things that we must have to resolve. So this meeting is practically to look into such challenges and see how we'll be able to resolve the problems. And that's why we invited all the council chairmen, because they also have a responsibility in their various area councils. So I'll put our head together and come up with solutions. So for the press, it's just for you to know that we are not sleeping. Security agencies are also not sleeping. We'll provide every support that they require in order to allay the fears of the citizens or residents. And this time around, we will not be happy where area council chairmen will abdicate their responsibility and travel out. We've gotten reports that council chairmen travel anytime, and then if anything happens, of course, they will not call anybody's name. They will call the FCT minister. Recently, NUT has embarked on strike. It is not because of our fault. It is area council. Primary schools are under the purview of the area councils. But again, it will look as if the ministers are doing nothing. But that is not our responsibility. However, we can't fold our hands. We have invited them to a meeting this afternoon to see how we can also resolve the problem. So, council chairman should know that he must live up to their responsibility. It's not everything that happens, they will say it is the ministers that are not taking steps. So for information, just know that we are doing everything we can to resolve the security challenges we are recently facing. Thank you very much. So come and take.